आता खबर विस्तारान. गोंय राज्याचो सीएम मनोहर पर्रीकारान सोमारा पणजेच्या EDC इमारतींत इग्नायट इनोव्हेशन हब सेंटराचें उक्तावण जालें. उक्तावणाक मंत्री रोहन खंवटे आनी पणजेचो आदलो आमदार आनी EDCचो चेअरमॅन सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार हाजीर आशिल्लो. पणजेच्या नाडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिग्स.
About this innovation center,
it is a good thing EDC is doing. The area was lying unused, so they decided you can use it for 78 incubator center. 78 incubator center. Now people can come here, set up their small units and do innovation.
sir, after IT policy and all, this is another innovation which our government has launched. How much it will help for young bodies?
This has a link with IT.
Yeah.
Full, they are supporting the full system. See, ultimately IT policy has to result into number of availability of seats for IT companies or startups.
Great advantage of EDC is finance. Seed funding.
Seed funding.
Hey, पाटिया अरे फाटी सन देखून मेवता मरे साहेब.